Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I'm just here for a quick little play about with a few things that I had with me while I've been here on the road. And I'll show you what we're going to make. We've done these before, so nothing new as far as book page pockets, but I had all of these that were already made and I just embellished, and I had a couple more left, and I thought, well, I'll make a couple and we'll decorate a couple and just have a chat. Just a fun little chat. I don't know about what yet, but we're gonna have one. So let's see what we got here. These are from the Rainbow Book of Art, and I really love this book. This is the one I've used for a lot of chroma collage, a lot of other things. So I'm trying to think here if I want, which one I want to be. All right, I have this one with the writing on it. All right, let's just do this one first because we know it's going to need to be folded. I'm trying to think if I did. Oh yeah, I did. So let's just fold it about right here. Flip it and just fold it right there. I'm gonna add a little, some glue. Pretty easy. Like I said, we've done both of these before, so it's not anything that you guys haven't probably tried in the past, but I had a couple already made and I thought, well, I busted out some embellishments and thought, well, we'll see where we go with that. Okay, I don't know how I want this to go yet, so let's do these two. This has a lot of blank space on it. So let's see how we can do this. Usually it always ends up working out pretty well, regardless of how you kind of set it up. It's just gonna depend on what you want to decorate it with. Now, what I didn't think about, but I have the stuff here. All right, so we got two. Let's just do this one. This one will be easy because it's all blank. Oop, that doesn't look straight, does it? And we'll just glue it right there. Easy peasy. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm on day 3 of retreating. That's what I'm calling it. This is, Dave won't be on the road for a while again. So I decided after, and I've said this on some of my other videos, I don't know which order these will actually air on. I kind of want this one to be, do I? Well, if I do it this way, I have more blank space. There we go. So we're gonna do it, yeah, we'll do it this way. So I just decided I'm just going to not worry too much about what I'm working on, although still be able to have the creative decision-making power to work on whatever I want and have fun with it. And I have to apologize because, of course, today they're, from all of the storms, what is all over my hand? I got something on my arm. They are cleaning up from a past storm, and so they're cutting down trees, and I think this is going to get to go to the garbage after this. It might just go there now. Yep, I'm throwing it away. Okay. So you may hear some noise outside, and I am sorry. So this one, all I did is fold it in half, or fold it, glued it, folded it up, to wherever I wanted that pocket. And now I've got a pocket behind here, a pocket here, and if I glue it onto the page, yet another pocket. Let's do this just to hold it down while I do the other ones. Well, that looks a little bit off. I'm not worrying about it, Ange. You're not worrying about it. Just do it. Okay. I did get this out because we might use it, and I have some other things that we'll use with those other ones. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. And all I'm doing is just folding this one at an angle. I am doing thumb notches in all of them. Boom. And boom. All right, let's glue this one. So one of them I'm gonna glue, probably this one, so that I'll glue it just a little bit right here, and then I'll glue it here. And that way, oh gosh. I can use this as a tuck. This is a tuck as well. All right, paper towel, here we go. All right, that one's done. And then this one we will do, I like the idea of that saying the Rainbow Book of Art. And I know, again, I'm gonna apologize. I have to apologize in every one of these videos for this wonky setup because I forgot my good boom, and I don't think it would have mattered anyway because the table's shaky, so there's that. Now this one we'll do all the way down. Oh gosh, what am I doing? Oh boy. There we go. I got that a little messed up, didn't I? A little less talking, a little more doing, Ange. All right. So that's all there is to it. There we have. I'm gonna now clip those two so this one stays. Oh, maybe not. Well, that's okay. So those three are done, and we can do those if we have time. And I do have some things out for these two. So now I can't remember what I was planning. Oh, I think I was gonna use these. Can you guys see that? Yeah. I thought I would use these. How, I don't know. Maybe that. Maybe I want this there. That's not bad. This one I thought was super cute. Okay, so that's gonna go right there. Let me zhuzh this up real quick, then I'll show you the star of the show on this one. I don't know, this must have been on one of my other trips where I fussy cut all kinds of things, and I'm so glad that I fussy cut these, but look at this guy. Does he not look like he was just made for that, that piece? I believe he does. I am gonna use, put you aside. And I'm gonna just use, I think this glue stick should work. After this video, I've said this on a couple of other videos that I've done, and again, just let me remind you, I don't know what order these will air, but I really like that. It's called Glue, G-L-O-O, and I think I got it on Temu, but I cannot be positive. And so I'm gonna look it up, because if that's the case, I'm gonna order more. It goes on really nice, and it's got like a square Let me just show you. Come on. This thing. There we go. I just need your little Tootsie down there. Now I got too much, of course I did. All right, so it's square shaped. The top is square, and then it's just got the round lid. I don't know what the engineering process was on that, but I do like it, and it feels nice when it goes on, and it rolls, or it feels nice in your hands too. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Now I suppose if I wanted to be correct, I needed a big old fly, which I probably have one, but I'm not going to put that up there. We'll put I guess I could look in here. Should we see what's in here? Just for the fun of it. Not there. This thing is kind of falling apart. I know there was one with bugs on it. Oh, well, that's a bee. There's a fly, but I think he's too big. Should we just look at him? Pull him off of here and see. Nah. We'll keep the sweet little butterfly. I think simple is better. I love that. Garden journal, wouldn't that be cute? All right, let's put you two on here first, because I don't know what this butterfly I cut out of. What did I cut that out of? Oh, I think it was one of my grabby gifts. And so it's kind of vellum, so it's not quite clear. So I don't know what it's gonna look like exactly. Let me see if I can. I'm just gonna cut a little bit. It's not gonna. I'm not gonna worry about it. I think we'll be okay. See, it's a little see-through on that, but it's all right. Working with what we got here, remember? We're working with what we got. So, oh, that's pretty too. Which side? No, I like the other one. I didn't realize that was two-sided. What's everybody been working on? Anything exciting? Like I said, I have no idea when exactly these are gonna air, because I'm just creating. That's all there is to it, and we'll just figure it out. I do know, and it may have already happened, but it's not too late for you to go back and check out. I was invited by Tammy at Vintage Uprising, Texas. Goodness, wow, that took a minute, to do another hop, or I think she calls it the peddler's train. And that's usually, you know, vintage and antiques. And so I think I might focus on things that can be used, maybe some of my, if I can get my ducks in a row, some of my assemblage, but also I think I'm going to focus on maybe, that's cute, I think this one was the one we'll do. What is it called? Like receptacles. Things that you could put art supplies in, or use as a vase, or this, that, and the next thing. Because most of you that watch my channel aren't necessarily collectors of the antique sort. I mean, maybe you are, and I just don't know this, but I think maybe you would appreciate having something, if you are an artist, that you can use. Wow, this hasn't even been opened. Alrighty then. Hold, please. So, we'll see. I don't know. I think this is probably going to be airing afterwards. So maybe you'll just have to hop over. look at my videos and see. It will be in like a live or something like that. It's actually pre-recorded, so it will be, I don't really like this color, but that's what we got. Looked way lighter, didn't it, friends? I should have read the name of it. It will be like a premiere. Good gosh, Angela, find your words. I should have done this before I put it down, but oh well. So what I like about, the other thing that I like about these little ones is you don't need daubers for all of it, which makes it nice. And you can get in there and make it pretty. Okay, that's good enough. I do like to distress these mostly with a color, not a neutral. I just think it looks better, but all right, here's what I got. I don't know that this will work on here because I didn't know. What's this? Okay. I did want to use, I feel like I want to pull this off. I wanted to use that little bird. Is this a sticker? No. I need to go check it out and see what's going on out there. The Airbnb that we're at is right, like literally, I don't know how they do it. So the driveway is over this way, but over this way is a school, and the streets are kind of interesting. It's like you can drive, you can park down the middle of it. I'm assuming that they do that because of the school, but it's just kind of weird. Sure, oh, that works. I don't think I'm gonna do any distressing, but they're working. They're working out there. Lots of equipment, cleaning up, trees, and probably getting the building ready for summer as well. And this, that, and the next thing. But it is gorgeous out. Yesterday was so humid. We had storms again. So today it's actually kind of chilly. I took Ruby out with in a t-shirt. No, I was in the t-shirt. Ruby just went out as is in her birthday suit. And I was a little chilly. Just a little chilly. Is this a sticker? No. This one is a sticker. There we go. So I don't know. Have you guys done this particular pocket? Have you done it with me? Have you done it on your own? I don't know. I like doing them because it's an easy way to use your big book pages. All right. Why not? We got it here. We might as well use it, right? Ooh, that's loud. There we go. We're calling that one done too. And just like that, we have finished. I have a couple extra that I'll put in to keep on the road with me. And then I have all of these that we can then use in other projects coming up in the future. Very fun. Well, thanks for joining me and for coming along and playing with an easy, quick little project. I have a couple more up my sleeve for quick projects, and we will see you next time. Until then, remember to take time to just be. Cheers.